good day everybody. I hope you're all well. So unfortunately I lost a lot of videos when I was doing the work on this MX5. As you probably saw from one of the other videos, I said I would do a voiceover and add all the pictures on here. So this is just going over the work we had. Obviously when you start cutting, obviously you find a lot more, which is what we did, but these videos and images here, just a brief view of what we've done and the finished result. We will be seeing the car again on the channel at some point, and then we will have a proper go over and walk around with the owner himself. The owner himself does have a channel called Splodge Motors, and I will put the link in the description below. But yeah, I'll leave this here, and I will catch you all on the next one. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye bye.